this is the match statistics for the semi-final. Ma Long vs Wang Chuqin. Semi-final match of the WTT Star Contender European Summer Series 2022. It's harder and harder to win, even for the Dragon. Ma Long has a higher winning percentage in his Kara. Career win is 87%. Wang Chuqin has 77% career win. Here is the match statistics. At the end, it's the question of motivation. Wang Chuqin is more motivated at the end of the match. He is very quick, and his backhand attack has pushed Ma Long into the defensive mode. It's seen that Ma Long is not really motivated at the 6th game and the 7th game. He needs to pivot more to win. You can easily observe that, since Ma Long uses his backhand to defense. He uses the pivot less and less. It could be due to the age, or the motivation problem. Anyway, congratulations to Wang Chuqin. Final game. It's Sweden vs China. Wang Chuqin conquers the Dragon. There's a huge sense of shock ringing out across BOK Hall as Ma Long heads for the exit after losing a grueling 7-game semi-final against young compatriot Wang Chuqin. In a match packed with twists and turns, the momentum swung both ways at different points of the contest, and in the end a deciding game was required to separate the two. Playing with a renewed vigor, Wang kept up the high-intensity approach and was rewarded for his bravery, wearing down the top seed to record a famous 4-3 win over one of the sport's all-time greats, 11-5, 2-11, 4-11, 11-9, 3-11, 11-5, 11-5.